Greetings everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Desiree Harvest Love and I'm here to tell you there is a world of wild food and medicine right outside your door. Whether you're in the city or the sticks, the possibilities are endless. And they're free. If you recognize me from Facebook or TikTok, you may have already accompanied me on some really awesome foraging journeys. If so, great. If not, no worries. That's why I'm here. It's spring, the season of new growth. We're going to start from the beginning and share a much more in-depth experience together. If you're a beginner, foraging can feel and sound scary. We've all heard horror stories of people eating the wrong plant or mushroom and getting really sick. But I can assure you, with time, patience, practice, and the right resources, you can be feeding your friends and family safely in no time. Make regional, reputable books your best friend. Yes, guys, hard copy books, not the internet. We never know this day and age when AI is answering our Google search questions, which means we don't know if we're getting dependable answers. I also recommend getting into some local foraging groups. There's tons on Facebook with very reliable, intelligent people. It's also important to know what's present in your local area and at what time of the year. So today, we're going to start with a plant you're probably familiar with that grows in all 50 states. This is Taraxacum officinale, better known as dandelion. I love dandelions because they're super easy to identify, they're abundant, and the entire plant from root to flower is edible.
Dandelion is a short-lived perennial plant that flowers from early spring through fall. Each flower contains up to 250 seeds which spread and germinate with ease. The plant begins as and maintains a basal rosette pattern throughout its life cycle. If you're unfamiliar with that term, it means circular-like, low-growing arrangement. Its leaves vary in shape from lobeless and smooth to deeply toothed. An important tip to remember is that edible plants may taste different during various stages of its life cycle and during different seasons. For example, dandelion greens are edible at any time of the year, but are more palatable and less bitter in the spring when leaves are young and soft. A helpful hint is to pinch off the tips only as the leaves mature and avoid the main vein leading to the base of the leaf, as majority of the milky bitter sap is concentrated there. Dandelion flowers are commonly used in winemaking, baking, jellies, and syrups. Greens can be used just as you would spinach and are delicious cooked or raw. And now for my favorite part. Dandelion roots are edible and highly medicinal. Digging them up is easy, but always be conscientious of the soil quality where the plant is located. Avoid areas that may be high in pollutants or heavy metals. Roots can be used in place of carrots, roasted and ground as a coffee substitute, or steeped into earthy medicinal teas with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties.
Have fun experimenting with this beginner plant, guys. There's no wrong way to do it. Happy hunting and enjoy.